how do I say this? I'm like, hey, what up, everyone? It's me, Steph. Who cares? Today is the day where I have to talk about myself. I just don't like it. I think that you guys can make your own judgments about me. I hate having to like force things into your face, but whatever. It's needed. You guys should know some things about me. I don't know how to make a joke out of this, so it's gonna be hard. I have a little notebook and I wrote some things down about me. And so yeah, let's just get started, I guess. Okay, so my name is Stephanie Sznicer, or Stephanie Helena Sznicer Lopez, if anyone wants to steal my identity. I am 28 years old. I'm a Cancer, Libra rising, Scorpio moon. Yes, I know. I'm born July 19th. Well, I feel like now I am just giving out my info. I've been a makeup artist for about 5 or 6 years now. I promise you, I mostly know what I'm talking about. I moved to Mexico City almost 4 years ago. Isn't that nuts? It feels like yesterday that I moved here. My Spanish still sucks ass. Yes, eh. If you guys don't know why I moved to Mexico, I'll put a video up here just so you guys can see like my motive for moving here. I killed someone. Just kidding. I used the same joke in the same video. Whatever. I need new jokes. As I mentioned before, I'm a makeup artist. So I mostly focus on editorials. I mostly focus on commercial jobs like publicity and celebrity. What does that entail? So with editorial, it's mostly magazines. It's mostly lookbooks. It's mostly anything to do with fashion, really. I'll put some examples over here so you guys can see. On my Instagram, I mostly upload my editorial work. So if you guys want to check that out, then I will leave the link in the description. Commercial work entails advertisements. Think of JCPenney. Like, you know, when they have like their catalogs, they need a makeup artist for that. Whenever you do an editorial job, you're working mostly like 6 to 7 hours, I would say. So like a normal work day. For commercial work, it can be like 18 hours. My longest job has been 24 hours. I love commercial though, just because commercial, you're there for so long. So I feel like you become like a little family. And plus they have free food. Bitch, you know we love to eat. Celebrity, it's self-explanatory. You do celebrities. It's super cool. It's like a cool little highlight in my career. I have had the amazing opportunity to do Robert De Niro's makeup, which you guys, even saying that, like I can't believe it. Like I'm like still in shock. I have some receipts, don't worry. I Snapchatted the whole thing, obviously. And so I'll put some clips here.
I read it, and when I did read it, I said, Bonnie, you should read the book because I think you'll see.
Finally, visit.
Yeah. Another celebrity that I got to do was Adam Driver. He asked for my number. No, I'm kidding. No, he didn't. I got to spend 3 days with Adam Driver. When I say days, it was like I got to see him 3 times over 3 days. If you're from Chicago or from the States, I did Andrew WK's makeup a while ago. I did that when I lived in Chicago still. You guys, I shit my pants before I do these jobs. I'm like, oh my God. But then when you meet them, they're so human. It's insane. They're just there to do a job and then get out. My mom always tells me, she's like, please get a picture. And I'm like, Mom, I can't get a picture because I'm working too. If you get that vibe that you can take a picture with them, then by all means do it. I'm just such a puss that I would never ask. Those were some amazing, amazing, amazing opportunities that I did once in a lifetime. It's not easy to become a makeup artist, but it's also not impossible. So if you guys want a video detailing of how I did it, obviously I'll do it, but I just don't want to bore you guys in a huge long video detailing everything. If I do the video about becoming a makeup artist, I am going to talk more about, you know, following your dreams and all that shit, because I'm a huge advocate for following your dreams and doing whatever the hell makes you happy. There were so many people around me, you know, even family members that were like, how are you going to go to Mexico? How are you going to become a makeup artist? How are you going to do this? How are you going to do that? Da, da, da. The purpose of me saying all this is that people are never happy. They're never going to be happy unless it happens to them. It's not jealousy, or it could be jealousy. I don't know. But the fact is that you have to live for whatever you want to do, and you can't let anyone stop you. My haters are my motivators. Imagine if you had a child, and imagine them not going for something because of someone else laughing at them. Wouldn't you tell them, dude, f everyone else, do whatever you want? And that's exactly how I feel. You guys are all my children. You guys, I could go on for hours. Ask my friends whenever they have like a crazy idea. I'm like, bitch, do it. I don't ever do this shit to show off, because you guys, I can't believe it myself, and I'm so grateful for it. That's what I want everyone else to feel. And I can't wait for the day that like my YouTube gets bigger. You guys, I don't want fame. I don't want anything. Like, I just want to make my YouTube channel like a place where people come to relax, where people come to laugh at me or with me or whatever. I don't care. Just laugh at the end of the day. So why did I start this YouTube channel when there's a million out there. Yeah, I know. Like I said, I just want people to laugh. I just want it to be a channel where you can come and relax. Another reason why I did it is because even if there's one person out there that relates to me or less anxious or happier or whatever watching my videos, okay, bitch, okay, Miss America or Miss Mexico now. I know that's like such that answer. It's so funny because I have a video, I think from like 2014, 2015 of me doing my first tutorial. I was so embarrassed to just put it out there and go for it. Of course, it makes you wonder what would have happened if I released it. I even said, I'm not gonna open up a YouTube channel. This is not a makeup tutorial. It's like, yeah, it was, bitch. Like, stop. Let's get this shit poppin'. Yeah, I'm just doing this for my girlfriends who ask me like how I do my brows or my eyeliner. I'm gonna do like little steps and like little videos for you guys, because it's always easier to learn from a friend rather than a makeup artist who has like a bunch of shit, you know what I mean? Or like who acts like you know what you're doing, because half the time you don't. Like, you're not gonna get it perfect the first time. Obviously, I'm not trying to start a YouTube channel because I don't think that's me. I don't have the self-esteem for it, for all those negative comments, but yeah. So yeah, I just want to keep things light. I just want to keep things fun. I want to talk about things that matter to me, like anxiety, depression, following your dreams, makeup, obviously. I want to talk about everything. The amount of my hometown friends or friends of friends or whoever that have reached out to me already and told me that I've like changed how they view makeup and they're not as scared or they're not as whatever and that they laugh at my videos. That's exactly what I want. That's like my actual dream. The moral of the story is just follow your dreams. I think that's it, guys. Please like and subscribe, because liking and subscribing really does help me out. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep things inappropriate. I'm gonna keep things shady. I'm gonna keep things ratchet, and let's just have a good time. So I will see you guys in the next video. If you guys have any requests for me or anything that you want answered or whatever, please let me know, because I love answering. I love interacting with you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Love ya. Bye. You know I gotta put a little bit of gurney spin on a video.